Hey, this is Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics in Jacksonville, Florida, working on a 1974 Mercedes 450 SL. Do a little setup in here. So we did a factory Becker radio. It actually has navigation built into it. Up in the front here, we did the Illusion Audio two-way set. Coaxials 4-inch. In the back here, we did a little build out. So we did a Mercedes Emblem that actually lights up. And then we did Rockford Fosgate Power 6x9s. Then we did an AudioMobile sub. So we added we made a custom grill here. So it's actually machined from plexiglass. The sub fires down and out. And then we did a little trim on it. Turn the radio on, see if I can get this to light up. Might be kind of hard to see in here in the sun, but there it goes. So you can kind of see it, but that glows at night. This thing came out pretty good, nice and clean, sounds really good. If you're in Jacksonville, give us a call, 904-333-2322. Check us out.